principals, teachers, parents, and my dear fellows. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Today I stand here to speak about a topic that is close to every student's heart. Student-centered learning, learning my way. Student-centered learning is not just a method, it is a journey. A journey where I am the traveler, my dreams are the map, and my teachers are the guiding stars. In the traditional classroom, students followed one path, one speed, one way of learning. But today, the world has changed, and so has education. Student centered learning says every child is different, every mind is unique, every dream deserves its own direction. It means learning in the way I understand, through reading, writing, speaking, exploring, imagining, creating. It means discovering who I am and who I can become. Dear friends, when learning becomes student centered, a classroom becomes more than four walls. It becomes a place where ideas blossom, confidence grows, and talent shine like bright constellations in the night sky. In this system, I am encouraged to ask questions, to think deeply, to express my thoughts, to make mistakes, and to rise again stronger than before. My teacher is not just someone who teaches, but someone who listens, who understands my pace, who respects my learning style, and who believes that I can reach heights even I have not imagined yet. And yes, sometimes the journey is difficult, sometimes the chapters feel heavy, and sometimes the mind gets tired. But student centered learning reminds me that every small effort matters, every step counts, and every day brings a new chance to grow. My dear fellows, learning my way doesn't mean learning alone. It means learning with ownership, with purpose, with joy, and with the courage to say, my education belongs to me. So today, let us promise ourselves we will learn bravely, we will think deeply, we will ask boldly, and we will grow beautifully. Because when learning becomes centered around the student, success becomes centered around the future. In the end, I want to say one poetic line. When a child learns in their own way, their mind becomes a garden, and every dream becomes a flower waiting to bloom. Thank you, learning my way, learning every day.